And welcome to VaxTalks. We're joined today by Dr. Sina Bavari. He's the Chief Science Officer at Helion Bio. He is also the former Science Director of the U.S. Army Medical Research Institute of Infectious Diseases. Dr. Bavari, thanks for joining us.
Oh, thank you very much for inviting me to this important discussion.
Certainly it is important. All eyes right now, of course, are on the COVID-19 vaccines that are available. But today we're talking about the variants that are coming to light, the mutations out there, and the impact they could have. Certainly a concern, Dr. Bavari.
Correct. So like a lot of other viruses, especially RNA viruses, they go through changes and they try to adapt and they try to escape also at the same time. So these adaptation and escape typically results in new variation of the original virus. The new variants that you may have heard about is one in Britain, the other one in South Africa, and there are more variants will be coming out, no doubt. There are some actually coming out of Malaysia, some out of Nigeria, that they all might be important at some point.
Are these variants worse than the original?
In many, many cases, the virus tends to adapt in a way so it'll be more transmissible. And it seems like the Britain variant seems to be more transmissible. Now, is it more pathogenic? We don't really know that right now. Seems like there's some telltale signs that it suggests that it's more pathogenic, but the data really hasn't been that clear yet.
Well, I guess any scientist will tell you that variants are not unexpected. So how are the current vaccines handling them?
It seems like, at least for right now, most of the vaccines are fairly protective against the Britain variant. So that one I think we're still safe from. But other variants, such as the one in South Africa, those are more concerning because that has taken the Britain variant and added more changes on top of that. So some of the vaccine, for example, such as Novavax vaccine, that one, we don't exactly know if it's truly efficacious against that variant or not. And it seems like in the latest data that I've seen, it's probably around 50 to 60% protective against that variant. And it is concerning, and my guess is all the industry is actually right now is gearing up to adapt to these changes also. So they're making new variation of their vaccines also to adapt to the changes of the virus.
Dr. Bavari, thanks so much for joining us.
Of course, thank you very much for talking to me. It's been wonderful.
Yes, it has. And thanks to our audience for watching as well. You're watching VaxTalks. For more information, go to whywevax.org.